Hello, my dear friend. So let us continue from where we left. Only few some not questions. These are the new type of questions that are coming since I think 2 or 3 years, where these are different. Till now, what we have seen some not as I told you in the previous video, but still in the statements we have seen only what four types of standard statements, A, I, E, O statements, right? A, E, I, O statements, whatever. And after that, in the recent examinations, what they have added is these two, especially. Some not was there already, so this is not a new one. Only and only few or only a few kind of questions. So when we add only to a statement, so it what it does, it excludes everything else. So we need to understand this. It excludes everything else. If I say I am the only earning member of my family, that means that there is nobody else who earns. Okay. So whenever I say only, it also gives a negative meaning. It also gives what? A negative meaning. So we need to be ready for this. When I say only few, I need to understand that this will be what we were saying, that if some A or B does not mean, this is what we have learned till now. Some A are not B. Correct? This is what we have understood. But this only few will make it reverse, my dear friend. If I say only few A or B, if I say only a few A or B, then immediately what will happen? These two will be true. This means that only few A are B and remaining A are not B. Only few A or B means whatever that part B can be anything. Okay, so only few A or B I can draw like this. Okay, A or B, A or B, only few A or B. It will look like same like some A or B. It looks like a positive particular statement, particular affirmative statement, but then it is excluding everything else. That very important. Only when it comes, again I am going to discuss about it. Okay, so let us try to understand here. First we will understand only few, because initially we are going to solve this. So it means that not only few A or B, okay, few A or not B also is true here. Only few A or B. So remaining will not be B, they will not go. So this part is also true. So therefore, when we are representing only a few A or B, we are going to represent it like this. Only a few A or B. Okay. So we are going to put a cross mark here. So it means that it contains positive as well as negative. When I put it here, some not. When I put it here, it is only few. This means only few. Correct? So let us go and solve some questions. Only a few teachers are doctors. Okay, now you see this kind of question where it is not only saying the next statement, if you see, it is saying 0% teachers. Okay, let us see. First, we'll see this one. Only a few teachers are doctors. So only a few teachers are doctors. So therefore, I'll put a cross mark here so that we understand that this is only a few. Okay, and this part can never go inside this. There has to be some part inside, some part outside. This means what? There has to be only a few teachers are doctor, means some part of teachers has to be inside D and some part of teachers has to be inside T. That doesn't mean that this part cannot be inside this. Okay, again we'll try to understand it in a different way. That is a possible case. This is the standard representation. But if you ask me possible representation, I can say that this is also possible. Still, you can see only a few teachers are doctors. Only a few teachers are doctors here, but all doctors are teachers. This is possible representation. Okay, this is only possible case. I am going to stress it again and again. This is only possible case, but 100% true case is this standard representation. Only a few teachers are doctors. Understand it properly now itself. If your concept is clear, you will be able to solve the questions very, very easily. Therefore, only a few teachers are doctors means, this means what? Only a few teachers are doctors means few teachers. Some teachers are doctors and some teachers are not doctors. But that doesn't mean that all doctors are teachers is not possible. It is possible. But this is 100% true case. This is possible case. Okay, fine. So let us go and 0% teachers are lawyers. 0% is no. You can directly take it as no. No teachers are lawyers. This is what it is saying. So that is very easy. We know it very well. So we'll put a cross mark and then we'll put here what lawyers. No teachers are lawyers. No teachers are lawyers. This I type of question statement, what will it will be excluding both of them. So excluding both of them. So if no teacher is a lawyer, then no lawyer is a teacher will also be true all the time. Okay. All lawyers are teachers. Absolutely opposite statement of this. Absolute opposite. So it is not possible at all. So this does not follow. And then some doctors are not liars. Some doctors are not liars. So this I can say for sure. Some doctors are not lawyers because this part, this part which should be inside teachers cannot go inside lawyers. These doctors, these some doctors cannot be are not lawyers. Are, so this is again a standard statement, right? So I need not have to use cannot. These doctors who are teachers as well are not lawyers. So this is true, my dear friends. Some not, are you getting clear now? These doctors who are not teachers, we cannot put it in lawyer. So in all possible cases, these people will be outside. So some doctors are not lawyers will be true. Some doctors are not lawyers will be true. Okay, right. So if you have any questions on this, this is a little bit higher type of question, and you need to be very, very clear, very, very focused, and very, very uh, conceptually clear about these things. Then only you will be able to solve these questions. But when you are listening to this, go back and listen 2, 3, 4 times, and then it will be clear. The logic you need to catch, my dear friend. You need to catch the logic. Once the logic is clear, you will be able to understand and appreciate that what I'm saying is correct. Some not is true here. Some not is true here because this part which is few teachers are not are doctors. These doctors can never go here because teachers and lawyers, they cannot intermingle. They cannot intersect. Therefore, this part is always true. Okay. Now let us, only tables are chairs. So we are going into what? Only tables. Now only few we have seen. So let us see only tables. Only tables. What does only tables are chair mean? So this we are going to understand now. Only A or B means what? First we'll understand this and then we'll solve this. Only A or B means what? Only A or B means what? Okay. So B can be only A. Means if I try to understand, only A or B and B are nothing else than A. Okay. So how do I represent it? So you can see this one. Only A or B. So if this is A, then where B will come? Only A or B. Now whenever we say only, it is excluding. It's not actually including statement, it's an excluding statement, my dear friend. Okay, it excludes more than includes. So what it is saying that only A, so this is the A, then B can be only inside B, it cannot be outside here. It can only be inside pardon me if it is going outside, it is only inside A. Now you can see B is inside A, only A or B. Okay, if you are not appreciating this, if you are still get confused, I am going to give you a practical example. Let us take a practical example to understand this. Okay, so that it is much clear. Say for example, we'll take, this is not like this syllogism, but I'm going to take a practical day-to-day life example, and then we'll, okay, say for example, only men are doctors. What does this mean? Only men are doctors means doctors cannot be other than men. Whenever you find a doctor, he has to be a man, right? When I say only men are doctors, means every doctor is a man, but that doesn't mean that all men are doctors. Are you getting my point? Okay, and then I can say at the same time, I can also say only men are are pilots. Can I say this? Only men are pilots. Can I say this or not? Again, you can see whenever you find a pilot, it has to be a man. Whenever you find a pilot, it has to be a man. But every man is not a pilot. All men are not pilots. Okay, so you can see here only men are. Let us take politician. This is not true, but I'm just taking an example. This can be possible, right? Only men are politicians. Now all these cases are possible in a society. Earlier it was there. Nobody was allowed to be a doctor. No women was allowed to be a doctor. Not nobody. No woman was allowed to be a doctor. Till recently, very recently, women were not pilots. So every pilot was a man. And politics, in politics, the women have come very long back. But before that, sometime, or in some countries, still only men are politicians. Okay, now you can see if I want to represent this, is it becoming clear now? So I can say that this is the men, and when I say this is all, this whole thing is men. Okay, and then when I say only men are doctors, so these are doctors part. So now only men are doctors, and there are no women who are doctors. Okay, and only men are pilots. So I can say my men are pilots. Only men are politicians. So I can fit all these things inside. Okay, but it doesn't mean that all men are doctors or all men are pilots or all men are politicians. Just imagine. This is a very practical example. Okay, therefore, what will happen here? Whenever we are understanding, so it also means that no doctor is a woman. When I say this, at the same time, this will mean what? No woman is a doctor, or doctor can be no other than men. If it is a doctor, it has to be a man. If it is a pilot, it has to be a man only. Pilot cannot be a man. Pilot cannot be child. Okay, pilot cannot be baby. Pilot cannot be an animal. Pilot cannot be bird. Bird. Are you getting my point? But pilots can be men. Only can be men. Pilots can be nothing else. So therefore, whenever only comes, I think now it is much clear. So whenever I say only A or B, we are going to draw it like this: only A or B. Okay, but we here will not be able to what understand only. Okay, so therefore we have to understand and keep this in mind. Okay, or we can, what we can do is only A or B means we will put a zero here. Okay, that is our own style. So like degree, we are going to put on the head. If it is only a few, then we are going to put cross, and if it is only, then we are going to put this O itself. O itself. Okay. So it means only A or B. But then the O will go to the B because this cannot go outside. But anything else can be A. Anything else can be A. But B cannot be anything other than A. So that makes it very, very clear, I think. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot or notes, especially notes is very, very good. So take the notes so that only you will never make a mistake now. Only few we have made it very, very clear, and now we have made only A or B very, very clear. So I'll show remove this thing. We are going to solve a lot of questions in this segment because these are new type of questions and we need to be very, very careful. So let us draw this now. Only tables or chairs. So I am going to put a degree here. Some tables are desks. So some tables are desks. You have to take care now that this desk does not come inside chair because chair cannot be anything other than table. Only tables are chairs. Only tables are chairs. Okay. All chairs are desks. Absolutely not possible because of this only. Only chairs cannot be anything else. It can be only tables and nothing else. All chairs are desks. Not possible. Chairs are only tables. Okay. So this does not follow. Some desks are tables. Some desks are tables. Anyways, this is the reverse of it. So if some tables are desks, then some desks are table. This is 100% true. In all cases, it will be true. Fine. Okay. Let us go to. Okay. Some painter or brush. Some painter. Sorry. Why did I write yes? I do not know. Some painter or brush. I should write. Some painter or brush. Only a few brush is color. Few brushes there. Only a few is there, right? So only a few brush is color. So what I am going to do? I am going to put the cross mark to understand that this is only a few. Let us see this question. Some painter or brush. Some painter or brush. Only a few brush is color. Only a few brush is color. We are going to write like this only, but we are going to put a cross mark on the head. On the head, it is only a few. Okay. On the head, if it is crossed, then only a few. All red is color. All red is color. It has to come inside. So all red is color. Can you see this one? Can you see this one R? Please imagine this R, or just you understand that all red is color means I have put the red inside the color. Okay. All brush is color is a possibility. All brush is color. All brush is color. Is it possible? It's not possible. Why? Because they are saying only a few brushes color. When I say only a few brushes color, all brush cannot be color. I told you when I say only a few brushes color means some should be outside, some should be inside. Some brush should be inside color and some brush should be outside color. Therefore, this cross mark is there. This part cannot go inside color. This part cannot go inside color. So therefore, this is not possible. This is not possible. All color is painter is a possibility. All color is painter is a possibility. Oh, that is possible because this color I can put it here and everything will be all right. Because anyways, again this B part will be there. So I'm going to draw this one. Okay. All color being painter. All color being painter, and inside this already red is there, so I'll put the red here. All color being painter, and then what has to happen is only a few brushes color. Only a few brushes color, so I can put that few brushes color here. Are you able to understand? So here I told you it can be possible. When I see this the diagram, I will see that this C can be immediately, it can be put from here to here. That is what you have to start imagining. Can I put this C inside this? Yes, I can put, and still the C. I'll take a different color and I'll show you. Okay, so I'll take red here and then this C I'm going to put here. Okay, and then this R will come here, and still what will happen, everything will be okay. Some painter operates, some painter operates, you ignore now this part. Same thing what I have done here, same thing, there is only it is reverse. Okay, and then only a few brushes color, only a few brushes color. If I do like this, what I'm doing here, this with the first standard diagram only, then you will be able to imagine. Therefore I'm again explaining this, only a few brushes color. So only a few brushes color, this part is color and this part is not color. All red is color, all red is color. So it's possible. So this is absolutely possible. Possible only. If they say all color is painter, I would have told it does not follow. But they are saying is a possibility. Possibility is what? Even if it is possible in 1% case, I will consider it as follows. Okay, but if it is standard statement, it has to be 100%, it should follow. But for possibility, this is the difference. Possibility, even if it is possible in 1% cases, it is possible and it follows. So let us go to the next question. Next question is in front of your screen. Only a few beers are polar. Only a few beers are polar. So only a few beers are polar. So what we'll do? We'll put a cross mark so that it is only a few. No black is a beer. Okay, so we'll put this as beer here so that we'll understand the difference. No black is a beer. So no black is a beer means, okay. So here I can see a few blacks are polar as well. Okay, I want to make what? No black is a beer and few blacks are polar. So I'm going to write it like this. So this is your black and they do not have anything in between. Understood? So no beer, black is beer is also okay. And then a few blacks. Now when I say a few, it means some only. If it's only preceded by only, then only we are going to put this. But if it is only few, I already told in the first video of syllogism itself that a few, some, most, much, more, at least, maximum, all these things will be some only. If it is preceded by only, then only the meaning is going to change. Okay, only is a excluding word, so it excludes other things. So only a few beers are polar, that is fine. No black is polar. A few blacks are polar. So again, we'll see what is the conclusion. All polar being blacks is a possibility. Okay, again we are solving some possibility case, right? Okay. All polar being blacks is a possibility. Okay. All polar being blacks. Is it possible? All polar being black. So polar, can it go inside? No. Why it is not possible? Because this part, which only a few beer is a polar, this part has to be inside beer. This part has to be inside beer at any cost. Are you getting my point? It has to be inside the beer, which cannot be part of black. Right? All polar being blacks is not possible because all polars cannot come here, because this part has to be part of beer, and we have seen that there is a cross mark here which says that no part of beer can come inside black and no part of black can go inside beer. So this part of beer, which is polar, cannot come inside beer. Got it? Okay, so this is not possible, my dear. It is does not follow. Next is all beers can never be polar. All beers can never be polar. Okay. All beers, understand, all beers can never be polar. Whenever can comes, whenever there is a can, I said it is a possibility case again. Okay, we are not talking about the standard statement. This is not AEIO statement, right? All beers can never be polar. So here you can see only a few beers are polar. So some part has to be outside. So all bears can never be polar. So this bear cannot go inside polar is what it is saying. Are you getting my point? This bear cannot go inside the polar is what it's saying. And if you see this first statement, it says only a few bears are polar. Only a few bears are polars and others are not polar. It means it has a negative connotation as well. I have already told you. It excludes. It excludes. So therefore, what happens when I say only a few bears are polar, then it means that some other bears have to be outside polar as well. So it has some bear are polar and some bears are not polar inside it. So therefore, all bears can never be polar, right? All bears can never be polar. Only some bears can be polar. Not all bears can be polar. It's not possible to make all bears polar. So therefore, you see in this statement itself the answer is there. Only a few bears are polar. The same statement is rewritten here. It is like rewriting. Okay, all bears can never be polar means only few bears can be polar and not all bears can be polar. Therefore, this follows. This follows. Okay, let us see this question now. No songs are books. So let us write no songs are books here. No songs are books. All books are apples. All books are apples. Only a few apples are rings. Only a few apples are rings. So I'll put only a few here. So only a few apples are rings and remaining are not apples. That is what. So this part is only apple and nothing else can go into the rings. Fine. All rings can be books. Whenever it is can, it is possibility. Can means possibility. Remember again. So therefore, I am going to see the possibility case, not the standard one. So all rings can be books. All rings can be books. Is it possible? Try to understand. All rings can be books. It is possible. How it is possible? If I put rings here, again you can see only a few apples are rings. Only this is the problem which will create the problems. So therefore only a few apples are rings and remaining are not rings again. Right? So this is possible. Okay, are you getting my point? What they are asking, all rings can be books. Possibility case, even 1% case. 1% case, I put the rings here. All rings can be books. Also, all rings can be books. Now, cross is, therefore, I put the cross to all apples. So that remaining apples are again not rings. So, this will be true again. So, therefore, this follows. Again, this follows. Some apples are not rings, are not. So some not is there. Some apples. So we will again remove this. This is only possibility case we had done. So I will remove this so that there is no confusion. Okay. Okay. So this is again the standard statement. Now let us see. Some apples are not songs. Some apples are not songs is correct because no apple is song here. Right? No songs are books and all books are apples. So some part, this part are not apples. Definitely true because this cannot go inside here. This books part cannot go inside here means some apples are not songs. Some apples, these apples are not songs. Remaining can go there but this cannot go. Are you getting my point? Some apples are not songs means these apples are not songs which are books. Okay. So this is also follows. This also follows. Okay. Okay. So let us see this one. This is the same one, right? So same one. Only card or nib. Only card. Now only card. How do we write? Card we will draw, and then inside it is nib. and we'll put what? Nib here, card. We'll put the degree on nib so that nothing can go inside nib now. Only cards are nib. Only cards are nib. Card can be anything else, but nib cannot be anything other than card. This is how we have to understand this. Nib can be card, but nib can only be card. It cannot be anything else, but card can be anything else. This is how we have to understand. Once again, be very, very clear. Only card or nibs. So card or nibs, okay, but card can be anything else. Nib cannot be anything else. Okay, all glasses are plain. All glasses are plain. So we cannot connect here. So what I am going to do is first I will see this one and then I will do this because there is no connection here. So no connection means we should not do this one. We should first finish this and then we'll go to that one. No nib is plain. So first we'll do this one. No nib is plain. So no nib is plain has to come outside of the nib. Okay. And all glasses are plain, they are saying. All glasses are plain means, so I'll put the glasses inside this. So I'll put glasses inside this. Okay. So this no nib are plain, if it was given or not given, it would not have made any difference. Try to understand now. Now we will understand only A or B a little bit proper. When it says only card or nib, nothing else can be nib. So no nib or plain is okay. No nib or plain is also the same thing, almost same thing. If only nib can only be card and nothing else. So it cannot be plain as well. Okay, but still whatever they were given, we'll take it. Some plain can be glass. Some plain can be glass. Now when they say all glasses are plain, so some plain are glass, so they can be glass as well. So some plain or glass is absolutely correct. So it is possible. It is already possible here. When it is true here, when it is true in the standard statement itself, then it is true as well. So it can be glass, no problem. Some card can be glass. Some card can be glass. Can you now understand this one? Can some card be glass? Can some card be glass? Just try to think over it. It can be card or it cannot be card. Card can be glass or no. So I am going to draw this one. When I do not get I get confusion, so I am going to draw. Some card are glass. Some card are glass. So I will write some card are glass. Okay. Now I will put everything else. Only card or nib. Only card or nib I will put here. Only card or nib, no problem. Okay. All glasses are plain. All glasses are plain. Now no nib are plain. No nib are plain. Right? So I can do everything. So whenever possibility case is there and then you draw, and if you can put all the statements correctly without any change, if you can, you need not have to no contradiction is there, then again it will follow. So again possibility case, here it is follows. Okay, both will follow in this case. Only plate or pin. So this question we are going to solve now. Only plate or pin. So PI this one and PL that one, or I'll write PN so that it is not confusing. Or only plate or pin. So one degree here. No plate or wood. No plate or wood. All wood are kite. All wood are kite. Okay. So let us see. Some pin can be kite. Can. So again possibility case. Some pin can be kite. How is it possible? They say only plate or pin. So pin cannot be anything else. Pin cannot be anything else. So not possible at all. From this statement itself I can say. Only plate or pin means only plate or pin. Nothing else is pin. So kite cannot be pin. All kite can never be plate. All kite can never be plate. Is it possible? No plate is wood they are saying. And then what they say is no kite. So all kite can never be plate. Can never be. So can never be, whenever can never be comes, we'll try to see. Now if you see this one, okay, we can see that can never be played, but can never means it should not happen anytime. Whenever can never comes, try to understand. All kite can never be played. Can never means in all possible cases it should not happen. Now this possibility is different. When they come with can never be played, can it be played anytime? We'll try to understand. Can it be played anytime? I'm going to change the color so that we'll understand it properly. Okay. Now, can it be played at any point of time? Any possibility? So can I draw like this? Not inside pin. Okay. Not inside pin. Pin we cannot put anywhere because that is wrong. I'll put except pin. Okay. Kite, can I draw like this? All kite can never be played. All kite can never be played. So can I be able to put into plate? I can only put this much, but I cannot put this thing. I cannot put this thing which is wood. Wood cannot go inside. If wood cannot go inside, then all kite cannot go inside. So any case, if I try to do this one also I try to do, but this is not going. Everything cannot go. The wood cannot go inside plate at any point of time. So all kite can never be plate is true. Getting my point? Because all kite can never be played. So if it has to be false in all possible cases, then what has to happen? Kite should go inside. All kites should go inside if it has to be false. Are you getting my point? In all possible cases, all kite can never be played should happen. So it is not happening. All kite can never be played. So this is some kite can be played, but not all kite can never be played is true case here. Understanding? Please go through and see how I logically used it, and then we have done. Okay, if any doubts are there, we will discuss. Okay, in the group, you can put it in the group and we'll coming